Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this phoenix flower design as part of Water Marble March. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco's Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For the water marble today, I'm going to be using Color Club polishes. This pink is Warhol. The neon orange is One Love. The medium orange is Talk to the Hand. And the lightest orange, which I'll also be using as the base color, is First Class Sass. Once I have that applied, I'll be protecting around my nails using liquid latex as well as tape. As usual for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once the bullseye is complete, I'm going to make sure it's anchored to the sides of the cup, and then I'm going to be drawing in some curved petals. I'm doing 2 cups per hand for this, and for this one I'm going to be dipping my 3 middle nails. Once you've dipped, go ahead and clean off the surface so that the excess polish doesn't stick to your design. And then I'm going to slowly pull my nails out and remove the protection. And once that's done, I'll be moving on to the rest of my nails. Once I'm done marbling all my nails, I'm going to use a Q-tip for any larger areas of cleanup, as well as underneath my nails. And then I'll be going in closer with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. once the cleanup is complete, I'm going to add a little bit of shimmer by topping this with Holo Taco Polar Princess. Finally, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. I was debating as I was working on it whether to leave it as a plain cream water marble or to add a topper. I also considered linear holo, but I think this shimmer was the exact right choice for these colors. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments. Maybe let me know if you have a favorite hand. They turned out pretty different from each other, and my favorite is the right, although the left is also looking good. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.